Okay, guys, so this is how you fix an iPod Classic when you turn it on and the it says iPod./support, and then what's stupid is when you go to the website it says that it's more than 5 years old or something like that, and it doesn't support it. And sometimes that they don't show you how to reset it, so you don't really need to reset it. I'm just gonna show you how to do this and not lose anything. What I'm doing is I'm putting a thumbtack right here.
So you get it.
By the whole button and all that. Then you get a butter knife and you just, oh crap, I just messed it up. Crap. Oh, I could just use a thumbtack. No, I can't. Okay, so you put the thumbtack in, then you put the butter knife in and pop out, and after that, just take it apart, but don't rip it apart because it'll break.
Merp.
Here we go.
Hi guys. Hey dog, this is my mod menu. This is USB CG.
Don't disconnect anything. Like, do not disconnect
phase
anything.
mods. I'm gonna do something real quick.
You can pull this up, and then there should be this right here that you want to disconnect. You just reconnect it. So wait, okay, so you see it's disconnected. Okay, it's disconnected. It's not in anymore. Then you want to reconnect it, and then once you reconnect it, put this back down, connect it back, and then see it's turning on now. And after you connect it back, swerve. There, it's fixed. See? Alright, well, that's just kind of like resetting it, but like, comment, rate, subscribe. There you go.